All right, so we're here at the Temesi waterfall. Only thing I don't really fuck with is like they charge you for nature here, which I mean this is literally dirt, nothing. But god damn it, you feel me? Let's check them out. Let's go check it out. And they charge you for nature. Greetings.
Hello. Good afternoon.
Lislo.
You're welcome to this
Yeah.
waterfall.
That shit go all the way down there, bro. These fucking rocks suck. It is so beautiful. Oh, so beautiful out here. Look at that, all the way down there. Y'all can hear it? Can y'all hear the waterfall? Look, that's love, right? When you leave a cigarette for the ancestors, that's love. Look at all the bamboo. Oh, there's the water down there. Let's see. Oh yeah, we definitely going swimming. Oh yeah, oh yeah, look. Oh yeah. Oh shit. Wow. Oh shit. Shago ball. Let's get closer.